Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be talking about prebiotic carbohydrates, a really interesting and important topic related to our gut health. Most of us have heard about prebiotics, the good bacteria in our digestive system, but prebiotics are the food that helps those bacteria that are present in our gut. Prebiotic carbohydrates are non digestible compounds. This means our body cannot break them down in the small intestine. Instead, they travel to the large intestine where they serve as a food for the beneficial gut bacteria. By feeding these bacteria, prebiotics help maintain a healthy microbiome, which plays a key role in digestion, immunity, and even mood regulation. You can think of prebiotics like fertilizer for plants. The gut bacteria are the plants, and the prebiotics are the fertilizer that helps them grow and keep the soil. Now let's look at some key characteristics that make prebiotics unique. First is indigestible. First, prebiotics are indigestible. Our body simply does not have the enzymes to break them down in small intestine. That's actually a good thing because it allows them to reach the colon intact where our beneficial bacteria live. Point 2 is selective nutrition. Second, they provide selective nutrition. That means they don't feed all bacteria, only the good ones, such as bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. This helps keep harmful bacteria under control. Point 3 is health benefits. When these bacteria ferment prebiotics, they produce short chain fatty acids. These fatty acids are incredibly helpful. They nourish the cells lining our gut, strengthen the immune system, and may even reduce inflammation in the body. Now, you might be wondering, where can we get prebiotics from? They are actually found in many everyday foods. For example, in vegetables like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, or Jerusalem artichokes, these are some of the richest sources. In fruits, bananas, apples, and plantains are the good options. Whole grains like oats, barley, and whole wheat also contain prebiotics. If you eat legumes such as soybean and lentils, or nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds, you are already getting a natural source of prebiotics. There is optional audience engagement. So, if you have ever had oatmeal with bananas and some chia seeds, congratulations, you have eaten a prebiotic rich breakfast without even realizing it. Let's look let's look a bit more closely at the main types of prebiotic carbohydrates. The first type is fructooligosaccharides or FOS. These are found in garlic, onions, and chicory root. They are some of the most studied prebiotics. Next is galacto-oligosaccharides or GOS. These are the naturally found in human breast milk, which shows how early in life our gut health is supported. Another important type is inulin, which comes from chicory root and Jerusalem artichokes. Inulin is widely used in health foods today. We also have resistant starch, which is found in potatoes, rice, and legumes. It resists digestion and acts like a prebiotic. And finally, there are others like isomalto oligosaccharides, pectin, cellulose that also contribute to gut health. Now let's focus on something very interesting, the role of lentils as a source of prebiotics. This is a research article. Lentils are a major staple food, especially in regions like South Asia and Africa. They are not only rich in protein and fiber but also contain a variety of prebiotic compounds like FOS, GOS, and resistant starch. These compounds help beneficial microorganisms in our gut grow, which supports immune health, reduces inflammation, and may even lower the risk of diseases like diabetes, obesity, and some other like cancers. Lentils also play a big role in food security and climate adaptation because they are drought tolerant and nutrient rich. So, promoting lentil based diets supports both human and environmental health. Gastrointestinal gastrointestinal effects of prebiotics. What actually happens in our gut when we consume prebiotics? Prebiotics act like a selective fuel. They stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria while suppressing harmful ones. This balance helps maintain a healthy gut lining and improves digestion. Prebiotics are safe and beneficial for most people. They can help with regulatory, reduce bloating, and support the immune system. Research is still uncovering how exactly they work, but the evidence so far clearly supports their positive impact on gut and overall health. Fiber and prebiotics, mechanism and health benefits. Prebiotics are often consumed with dietary fiber, and in fact, many prebiotics are types of fiber. They selectively stimulate beneficial bacteria, especially bifidobacteria and lactobacillus. These bacteria produce compounds that can protect our gut lining, reduce harmful bacteria, and improve nutrient absorption. That's why when you increase your fiber intake, you might notice better digestion. That's your microbiota thanking you. So, in short, prebiotics are special fibers that directly support your gut ecosystem. Prebiotics overview. Microflora health, microflora and health. Now let's zoom out and talk about bigger picture. Why the microflora or gut microbiome is so important. The gut microflora plays a key role in nutrient absorption, immune defense, and even mood regulation. Diets rich in prebiotics can strengthen this microflora and help prevent conditions like inflammatory bowel disease or colon cancer. It's fascinating how something as small as simple what we eat can influence everything from digestion to mental health. Prebiotics, fermentable dietary fiber, and health claims. Finally, let's wrap up with the connection between prebiotics, fermentable fiber, and health claims. Some dietary fibers like inulin and galacto-oligosaccharides are classified as prebiotics because they resist digestion, reach the colon, are fermented by gut microbiome. This fermentation supports beneficial bacteria, improves bowel health, and may even help regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels. While research continues, what we already know is clear: incorporating prebiotic rich foods into our diet is one of the simplest ways to improve long term health. To sum it all up, prebiotic carbohydrates are the unsung heroes of our digestive system. They don't just feed us, they feed the bacteria that keep us healthy by adding more foods like garlic, bananas, etc. Now you can add prebiotics in your diet and make yourself healthy